record.
So we are getting into hive 19, which this was a split we made off of our bees and used a queen we bought from Man Lake, a Russian queen. So we're gonna get in here and see how they're doing. It wasn't long ago we added this super onto it. Don't look like they're doing a whole lot up here yet. They're starting to work it. They've attached bridge comb to the bottom of it. That one they've drawn out a little bit. It has some beautiful dark honey in the bridge comb. I've got a frame holder.
Yeah.
So it looks like there's at least 3 frames they've...
You need to give me that.
Which part of it you want?
The bee-free dark honey.
This?
Yes.
That does need taken out anyways.
Yes,
so.
it does.
Aw.
I get it. Thanks. Oh, yeah.
Come on, bees. I don't want to get you all. Sit that over there for now. They can clean it up if they want to. I'm going to put this box back together. The next frame has a little bit they started drawing on. We'll see what they're actually doing down in the brood box. I'm going to sit this 2 hives down so it's out of the way. So you can see the mess I made whenever I pulled those out. I ripped open honeycomb. Bridge comb that was honeycomb. So this outer frame, they've done a tiny bit of work of drawing, but not much. The drone comb, they've drawn some wonky comb that they filled with honey.
That's from the procedure.
There is 2 queen cups.
Queen cups.
That look like they're practice cups. Nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. And there's another one I missed. So easy to miss those. It's hard to tell if they actually charge these ones. They're working on this side on drawing it. I'm not sure if this queen is marked or not. We've marked, what, 3 of them today?
Yeah.
In other hives. They got a nice full sheet of brood there. That's a nice sheet of brood too. And the queen is marked and she is right there. It's one of the Russian queens that we got. She's grown a lot since we've had her. When we picked her up, we thought she was tiny. She was about the size of one of the workers almost. So we've seen the queen. She has capped brood, we know.
And beautifully tasting honey.
So now if I'm going to get this at a good angle, but there is, looks like eggs down in the bottom of those cells.
Y'all ain't gonna see nothing.
It's hard to see in person even on this frame. I'm having a hard time seeing in this one if there's anything in there. I'm not sure. It looks like there might be some young larvae, but I'm having a hard time seeing in that one. The coloring of the wax and the foundation in this lighting makes it hard. I need to give myself a little more room. So there's a frame of brood. It looks spotty, but it's just a bunch of stuff they ain't capped yet, it looks like, from here. Because there's larvae down in them. And there's actually one right here that's working on emerging out.
Point at it. There we are.
Let's see if it... Come on out, little bee.
Leave it alone. Oh.
There. So that is a freshly emerged bee.
That's pretty cool.
So that's a decent frame of brood, but they backfilled some of it with honey. I'm not sure what I just did, but I upset them. And I know what I just did.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Nope.
I'm going to try to get this frame here out and get rid of that diatomaceous earth that I just got out.
You got the strap down too.
Yeah, it'll come out with it. Oh, I rolled some bees. So we'll look at this frame since I have it out anyways. It is brood. That might actually be easily picked up on the camera, but we'll see.
There we are, it is.
This side has wonky comb.
Ladies, ladies, ladies.
So I skipped a frame because I wanted to get that cleaned off the top of here. Oh, sorry, bee. So I'm gonna probably not be in these much longer because I'm gonna get them closed back up. But there's another frame of brood that they're backfilling with nectar. Let's see what the other side looks like. It's got a whole bunch of larvae down in it and brood. Was it able to pick it up? So the last frame looks like they're filling it with honey. I'm gonna get them back together since I already got them so wound up. Until next time, that will be it.
God bless.